History is often written by the victors, but sometimes it's rewritten by mistakes, misunderstandings, or plain old myths. Today, we're diving into remarkable moments when history was miswritten, revealing the true stories behind the legends. Let's start with the infamous tale of Christopher Columbus. We've all been told Columbus discovered America in 1492. But here's the twist. He never actually set foot on the mainland. Columbus landed in the Bahamas, and while he did encounter the indigenous peoples, he thought he had reached Asia. His voyages didn't uncover a new world. They merely opened the door to European colonization. So, the next time you hear about Columbus, remember, he wasn't the first to find America. The indigenous peoples were already there. Next, we have Napoleon Bonaparte, often remembered as a short tyrant. The truth? He was actually around 5'7", which was above average height for his time. The misconception stems from the confusion between French and British measurements. When the British caricatured him as short, it stuck. So, history miswrote him as a diminutive dictator when in fact, he was a man of average stature. Just another example of how perception shapes legacy. Now, let's talk about the Great Wall of China. Many believe it's a single continuous wall built to keep invaders out. But here's the truth. It's a series of walls and fortifications built over centuries by different dynasties. Some sections are made of tamped earth, while others are brick and stone. Plus, it was never completely effective in keeping out enemies. In fact, the wall was breached multiple times. So, the iconic image we have of the Great Wall isn't quite the full picture. Then there's the story of Marie Antoinette and her infamous phrase, "Let them eat cake." This quote is often cited to show her disconnect from the struggles of the French people. But historical evidence suggests she never actually said it. The phrase was likely attributed to her by those who wanted to vilify her during the Revolution. So, the Queen's legacy became tainted by words she may never have uttered. Lastly, let's not forget about the American Civil War. Many believe it was solely about slavery, but the truth is more complex. While slavery was a central issue, there were also significant economic and political factors at play. States' rights, tariffs, and the balance of power between the North and South were critical as well. This misrepresentation simplifies a deeply intricate conflict that shaped a nation. History can be a game of telephone, where the original message gets distorted over time. These remarkable moments remind us to question what we think we know and seek out the truths that lie beneath the surface.